Hey guys, James Danley, KW Domain, Luxury Homes International. Today we're here at 1544 RUFFNER. This home is positioned on a beautiful street with mostly new construction, and it was built by one of Birmingham's highest quality builders, PRM, Paul Mooney himself. Come on in, let's take a look. If you're looking for a move-in ready, newer construction home in Birmingham with excellent ceiling heights, perfect natural light, great flow and functionality, you will not find a higher quality build under $1 million. Call, text, or DM us today to see 1544 RUFFNER. Remember, we live, work, sell Birmingham.